that, more breaking news which is coming in. Samajwadi Party of Akhilesh Yadav has also backed the stir against the Waqf bill. In fact, Samajwadi Party MP Dharmendra Yadav has said that they back the protest as well. Centre is mulling ways to snatch our land away. Watch this.
पूरी तरह से प्रोटेस्ट है हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी का, हमारी पार्टी का। किरण रिजिजू जी की बात को ये मान के क्या देश में जब तक ये कानून रहेगा रिजिजू जी साहब इस विभाग के मंत्री होंगे? कैसे दे सकते हैं? कोई भी गारंटी दे सकता है तो कानून दे सकता है, और कानून आप ऐसा बना रहे हो जिस कानून के रास्ते को बनाने के साथ साथ आप जमीनों पे हड़पने का रास्ता ढूंढ रहे हो, और बयानों में आप गारंटी देना चाहते हो। तो किरण रिजिजू जी कोई हमेशा के लिए मिनिस्ट्री अमर नहीं है उनकी।
Well, let me go across to Pragya, who's joining us with more on this. Well, Pragya, very interesting to see the voices which are coming in from the parliament, which is, of course, in session at a time when there's a parallel protest which is happening. Protests inside as well as outside the parliament over the Waqf bill that we have seen. But why the scaremongering? Why the fear-mongering that we have seen, where there are those who are saying that this is akin to Fasi pe latka do?
Well, if you remember that during the JPC, all the members has also submitted their decent note. It's not that their voice has not been heard. In fact, some of the suggestions have also been heard, and in fact, those suggestions are going to be implemented if the bill is getting passed from the parliament. But there is certainly a fear-mongering saying that this is an attempt to take over the land of Waqf. This is an attempt to snatch the lands from Muslims, and this is the larger narrative that all these opposition parties are also building, and this is exactly what Mr. Kiran Rijiju has always been clarifying, being the minister of the minority, saying that we have already read the Waqf bill and there is an attempt for only reforms where Muslim women will get their share. Muslim, the children of these women will also have some share, and their, if they are part of that will of that property, their consent will be taken. So what they're doing is strengthening the legal position and registering those Waqf property, because this is not a religious institution as government believes. So there is nothing wrong. Government also believes there is nothing wrong in registering all the properties. There need to be a database of how much Waqf land is there, and also to ensure that there is no land mafia ruling over the Waqf properties. The complaints that government in fact had received was of misuse of Waqf properties and also land mafia using too much of the land. It is the third largest institution that have the land in the country. The complaints that the ministry had received, the complaints that the government has received, government has only acted on those, and this is why the reforms are coming into place. But this fear-mongering by the opposition, who were also in fact part of that JPC, where clause by clause ministry discussed all the reforms that they are going to bring in, the fear-mongering seems to be coming from the vote bank, I would say, and this is exactly what BJP is saying, that because they are your vote bank, you want to keep them in fear, saying that if we are not with you, then BJP will take away your land. And this is exactly what we are seeing in Janta Mantar.
Well, BJP has said that this is appeasement politics at its worst, where there's fear-mongering and fakery which is being injected into the Waqf bill narrative. Well, we are going to be tracking this very closely. Thank you so much, Pragya. For in fact, let's move on and tell you how the groups. That have been opposing the Waqf bill have repeatedly, remember, cited certain amendments in the Waqf bill, and that they believe they are going to usurp the land, as you just heard some of the parliamentarians also saying. In fact, they say that the rights of Muslims are going to be snatched. The Waqf backers have urged the government not to omit the Waqf by user clause. However, even as the opposition supports the protest call, the BJP has called it a bit to mislead Muslims on the Waqf bill. Watch this.
देखिए, मैं इसके लिए पूरे मुस्लिम समुदाय में एक गलत संदेश किसी ने उसको शायद फैलाया गया कि वक्फ का जो ज़मीन है उसको सरकार छीनने जा रहे हैं, या मुसलमानों का जो प्रॉपर्टी है उसको कब्जा करने जा रहे हैं। इस तरह का बहुत गलत तरीके से अफवाहें फैलाया गया है, इसको हम साफ करेंगे। और आप बताइए, हिंदुस्तान जो है ये कानून से चलता है, संविधान से चलता है। कोई किसी का ज़मीन छीन सकते हैं क्या? एक हिंदुस्तानी का अपना हक है, उसका हक को कोई कैसे छीन सकते हैं?
When it comes to appeasement in Delhi, they will come rushing today and say that we want to protect the Waqf Amendment Bill. Look, Rahul Gandhi waves the constitution and talks about protecting constitutional rights. The Waqf bill today is squarely infringing upon the citizens' right to own property. There is no doubt in my mind and no doubt in any Indian's mind that the Waqf bill represents an overreach. It represents power that is unfettered. It represents non-transparent acquisition of land by a group which has been protected for all these years because of the appeasement politics of the Congress. It is time to repeal the Waqf bill once and for all and give every Indian citizen the right to own property unthreatened by this draconian Waqf bill.
वक्फ एक बहाना है, आग देश में लगाना है, दंगे भड़काना है, वोट बैंक की दुकान चलाना है। जंतर मंतर पर आंदोलन की बात की जा रही है। ये वही मंडली है जिसने कहा है कि हम लोग शाहीन बाग स्टाइल प्रोटेस्ट करेंगे। ये वही जमात है, समाजवादी पार्टी, तृणमूल, कांग्रेस और सारे लोग जो ऐसे आंदोलनों को पीछे से मदद करते हैं। वक्फ के पास हालांकि असीमित ताकतें हैं। वो अनड्यू क्लेम्स कर देता है, कभी पार्लियामेंट, कभी ईडन गार्डन, कभी महाकुंभ की जमीन। ऐसी क्लेम्स करता है, तब ये जो सो कॉल्ड सेकुलर मंडली है वो एक शब्द नहीं बोलती। AIMPLB वही वोट बैंक की दुकान चला रही है जो कांग्रेस, तृणमूल कांग्रेस, समाजवादी पार्टी जैसी पार्टियां और जो MIM जैसी पार्टियां हैं।
Well, this, of course, is going to be one of the top focus stories, the Waqf showdown in the parliament, outside the parliament as well. But with that, let's move on.